How to attach documents to an email on your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you two simple ways to do it. The first method is by using the Mail app on your iPhone. Open the Mail app and tap the Create New Mail button in the bottom right corner. Next, enter the recipient's email address and add a subject. Tap in the message field, and you'll see an attachment icon appear above the keyboard. Tap on it, select Attach File, and choose the document you want to send. Once attached, you can write your message and then tap Send in the top right corner. The second method is through the Files app. Open the Files app and locate the document you want to send. Press and hold the file, then select Share. From the list of apps that appear, choose Mail. This will automatically open a new email with your file already attached. And that's it! Those are two quick and easy ways to attach and send documents in the Mail app on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if you found this tutorial helpful.